If someone is on the fence about working with Rainbow Restoration, what would you tell them?
I would tell them to get off the fence and pick up the phone and call Rainbow. That would not be a decision that they would regret. Rainbow Restoration is a fire, water, disaster restoration company. So if you have something bad happen to your business or your home, they swoop in and make it all better.
There wasn't really anybody else close to them. They're the number one.
From the moment you call them, you know you're dealing with professionals.
Rainbow Restoration has an all-encompassing restoration business. It's not just residential, it's not just commercial, anything in between. So we can come in from COVID cleaning to carpet cleaning, from doing simple things around your home, or a commercial business where it's a hospital, an ICU unit. We can bring a whole fleet of people from across the state to come in and take care of things.
We have the technology, we have the most up-to-date equipment, up-to-date knowledge and training to help people.
Here we're all formally trained. We all certified to do everything in this industry.
So that their time during the process is shortened and that they can recover faster.
It's comforting to know that they're partnering with you, and at the end of the day, they're looking to take that burden off of you.
Having worked with a number of different firms over the years, I've found that I can trust them, that they're going to use the right equipment, the best equipment, and do things in a way that's most efficient and effective for their customer, not necessarily for their bottom line.
Definitely would recommend Rainbow Restoration to other businesses, just given their professionalism and the service that they provide to their clients and to our clients is really top class.
I absolutely love Rainbow Restoration.